So fancy, I eat fancy feasts because you know that I go from my house to other places. I'm so fancy, oh, 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 oh. From LA to Tokyo, more like my house to the neighbor's house. Meow. I'm so fancy, you already know. I eat fancy feast, like all day. Then mommy, give me temptations, give me. I'm a fancy Persian cat, fancy Maine Coon cat. Meow. Say goodbye, Ellie. Say to them to remember to subscribe. She's saying that cow language. Remember to subscribe, guys. I'll send you. No, don't fall off the big table. Woo! Hey guys, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned for our Easter basket review and watch our film Never. And I will post the talk show thing with Never. So hopefully you guys enjoy your March break so far and have an awesome day.